Devastating earthquakes have shaken Turkey and Syria to their core. Measuring at colossal magnitudes of 7.8 and 7.5, they are two of the largest earthquakes since 1999 in Turkey and a century in Syria. Over 3,000 innocent lives were tragically taken, while over 7,500 were wounded, with life-threatening injuries. Buildings crumbled like sand, while roads tore apart like paper. And despite all rescue efforts, the death toll is continuing to rise. Do not wait until it's too late. Donate to Al-Khair Foundation now to help rebuild Turkey and Syria. Call us at 03000 999 786 or visit alkhair.org.